Thank you. Oh, I like the doorways. That's awesome. Those are pretty. I like that. I like these doors. That's so pretty. Oh, so pretty. I love it. I love the painted walls and the little bird. Oh. You have this beautiful bathroom. Like, look at that tub. I think it's solid like stone. It is absolutely beautiful. Now let's take a little spin around. You have two separate sinks. Like, so beautiful in here. Like all stone, marble, countertops. Probably one of the prettier hotels, I have to say, that we have been in. Absolutely beautiful. And then over here, you have, it's again all stone, dark brushed coppery tone. Seating, bench. The floors are, like, I just love the floors too. Rainforest shower. And then let's check out the products. Fairmont always has nice products. Have the toilet area. A little basket for towels, scale, and a full-length mirror. Two robes. Loving this place. Love, love, love. Products here, you have your soap. This side. Just beautiful. Like, look at that mirror, how beautiful that is. It's so beautiful. And then, so as you turn here, these are the second doors to enter and exit. And then it takes you back to the entrance. And then you have these dark hardwood floors. Again, just the decor, it fits in with everything. I don't know who the designer is, but I would like to have them in my house because they're awesome. So here at the desk we have 3 USBs. 1, 2, 3. And we have 2 universal plugs. So we got 2 of those. You have your phone. And let's go check out the rest of the room. On this side of the bed, you will notice the white slippers. There's a black pair on the other side. You will also see in the room and around the hotel these beautiful rugs everywhere. Jaipur is known for making rugs. Next to the bedside table, you have your water, which you're always provided with. And check out this beautiful Kleenex holder. All the little touches, everything is just absolutely thought of in every sense of the way to make it a traditional look and feel of the area. Here you have a USB port and then all of the buttons to operate the various lights around the room. And as I said, on this side you have another pair of slippers, black slippers on this side. Bedside table has your water over here as well. And then here you will have an additional universal plug. And this looks like the ceiling fan and some more lights that you can operate, probably for this side of the bed. And you have your temperature gauge over here. And what about this guy? Check this guy out. We have a cute little parrot in the room. And then when you open your drapes, you have these beautiful windows lining the front of the room. So we'll see also that in daytime, what you have a view of. But okay, this is your view from room 707 in the morning. So you have your ottoman and your chair, and then they leave you with some fruits, which is nice. And this couch in front is ginormous. We shall again have Doug demonstrate. Again, a large couch. Very nice. Then on this side, another closet, which is where you will find your safe, some drawers. Of course, you have your ironing board, and you have extra pillows. They also leave you with a umbrella, because it does get rainy here at certain times of the year. And you have your laundry service that you can get. But these drawers are really nice too. Love the see-through part of them. And that's it. And if you get a chance to visit Jaipur, my recommendation is definitely stay at the Fairmont. It is so beautiful here. The rooms, the decor, and the smell in the hotel. It has this beautiful, fragrant smell of flowers. The rooms smell beautiful. Yeah, absolutely, probably one of my favorite hotel decors that I've stayed in.
We're going to give you a couple looks from around the hotel during the day. We weren't there too much during the day, but we wanted to share a little bit of the feel of it during the day. Please hit that like button, and at the end of the video, shortly here, we're going to have a little conclusion to wrap the whole thing up. Thanks for watching.
We're here.
And good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Oh, you have to. Thank you. That's all she wrote.